part is the hearing screening, and the purpose of this is to see if a further otological exam is needed. So I already put shower caps on the headphones. Just going to make them a little bit bigger. Red goes over the right ear, blue over the left. Okay, adjust. Do those feel comfortable? Okay, so now you're just going to hear a series of beeps, and I want you to raise your right hand when you hear them. So I'm going to change this to odd, change the intensity level to 25, and we're starting at 1,000. Okay, now I'm switching to the left ear. Raise it back to 25. Okay. So she passed because she heard 2 out of 3 times for each of the frequencies. I would have referred if she did not respond to 2 out of 3 presented, and she would be referred to a general physician.